What's the meaning of class consciousness? Class consciousness. Class consciousness.
Class consciousness. Class consciousness. Class consciousness refers to the awareness, understanding, and recognition of one's position and interests within a particular social class. This concept suggests that individuals who share similar socioeconomic backgrounds and experiences can develop a sense of shared identity and solidarity, which can lead to collective action in pursuit of common goals. Such collective action can take various forms, including labor strikes, protests, and political mobilization. The result of class consciousness is often greater social cohesion and increased power for the working class, as well as reduced inequality and greater social justice.